Kim Kardashian has broken her silence on Balenciaga's recent ad scandal. I have been quiet for the past few days, not because I haven't been disgusted and outraged by the recent Balenciaga campaigns, but because I wanted an opportunity to speak to their team to understand for myself how this could have happened, she wrote on social media Sunday, November 27. Regarding the recent Balenciaga advertisement scandal, Kim Kardashian has spoken out. She said on social media on November 8, "I have been quiet for a few days, not because I haven't been disgusted and outraged by the recent Balenciaga campaigns, but because I wanted an opportunity to speak to their team and figure out for myself how this could have happened." Kardashian has previously worn Balenciaga to prestigious events like the Met Gala and walked in the couture show at Paris Fashion Week earlier this summer. Kardashian's post comes a week after Balenciaga received backlash for its advertisements showing kids posing with the brand's plush bear bags that are inspired by the BDSM and wear harnesses. One image showed a young person holding one of the stuffed bear bags while posing on a bed. The young person was surrounded by other handbags and accessories, including what appeared to be a chain leash and a choker with the Balenciaga logo on it. "I haven't said anything for a few days, not because I haven't been disgusted and outraged by recent Balenciaga campaigns, but rather because I wanted a chance to speak with their team to learn how this could have happened for myself." The reality star, businesswoman, and mother of North, 9, Saint, 6, Chicago, 4, and Psalm 3, continued, "As a mother of 4, I have been shaken by the disturbing images. Any attempts to normalize child abuse of any kind should have no place in our society because children's safety must be held in the highest regard. I appreciate Balenciaga's apology and removal of the campaign. After talking with them, I believe they recognize the gravity of the situation and will take the necessary steps to ensure that it never occurs again," she said. The creator of Skims continued, "Right now, I am re-evaluating my relationship with the brand." Kardashian declared that she would judge the brand's willingness to accept responsibility in its efforts to protect children when deciding how she would feel about their future relationship. Prior to now, in November, the Spanish luxury brand apologized for the advertisements on Instagram. 22, apologizing for any offense that their holiday campaign may have caused. In this advertisement, it was inappropriate to show our plush bear bags with kids. The campaign was immediately taken down from all platforms. The two distinct ad campaigns in question are a reflection of a number of grave mistakes for which Balenciaga accepts responsibility. The first campaign, known as the Gift Collection campaign, starred young subjects holding plush bear bags and sporting what some have dubbed BDSM-inspired attire. The Gift Collection and our plush bear bags should have been displayed with kids. Balenciaga made a mistake in choosing this, and we made mistakes in evaluating and validating the images. Balenciaga alone bears responsibility for this, the brand added. The second, separate campaign for spring 2023, which was designed to mimic an office setting, featured a picture with a page from the Supreme Court decision United States versus the promotion of child pornography is unprotected by the First Amendment, as Williams' 2008 study confirms. All the items used in this shoot came from outside sources who gave written confirmation that the office documents used as props were fake. They were real legal documents that had most likely been used during the production of a television drama. The inclusion of these unapproved documents was the result of careless negligence for which Balenciaga has filed a complaint, the company continued. "We fully accept responsibility for not keeping track of and in control of the documents in the background, and we could have handled the situation differently." Gabriele Galimberti, who shot the holiday ad campaign for Balenciaga, also released a statement on November 23. Galimberti wrote in the caption of an Instagram post, "I am not in a position to comment on Balenciaga's choices, but I must stress that I was not entitled in any way to neither chose the products, nor the models, nor the combination of the same. As a photographer, I was only and exclusively asked to light the subject and take the pictures in line with my personal aesthetic. As is customary for commercial photography, the photographer has no control over the campaign's direction or the selection of the items being displayed." Galimberti further asserted that he had no connection with the photo where a Supreme Court document appears, making reference to a different earlier purse advertisement where a Supreme Court decision on child pornography laws could be seen. According to him, that one was taken in another set by other people and was mistakenly associated with my photos. The North 6 production company and set designer Nicolas Desjardins have both been named in a lawsuit brought by Balenciaga in relation to the spring 2023 advertising campaign. Balenciaga accuses North 6 and Desjardins of acting malevolent or, at the very least, extraordinarily recklessly, according to court documents submitted on Friday to the New York State Supreme Court for the County of New York. Balenciaga is requesting redress for extensive damages defendants caused in connection with an advertising campaign Balenciaga hired them to produce. As a result of defendants' misconduct, the general public, including the news media, has falsely and horrifyingly linked Balenciaga with the disgusting and deeply unsettling subject of the court decision. In its court filing, the fashion house stated that the defendants are accountable to Balenciaga for all damages brought on by this false association. North 6 and Desjardins have been asked to pay $25 million in damages to Balenciaga. North 6 has not yet made any statements about the lawsuit in the media. North 6 managed the logistics for that shoot, including catering, shoot permits, location booking, crew and equipment management, according to a source close to the company who spoke with Good Morning America. However, North 6 had no creative control over or input into the advertisement, and it was not present on set when the final set preparations were being made. The Supreme Court documents seen in the earlier advertisement, according to a representative for Desjardins who spoke to the Washington Post on Monday, were obtained from a prop house that were rental pieces used on film and photo shoots. According to the Post, Gabriella Moussaoff, Desjardins' agent, claimed that Desjardins was being used as a scapegoat. She stated that everyone from Balenciaga was on the shoot and was present on every shot and worked on the edit of every image in post-production. The set designer is currently hiring legal counsel, Moussaoff continued. The set designer had no involvement in the Balenciaga campaign featuring the plush bear products and children, an attorney for Desjardins reaffirmed to GMA in a different email statement on Monday afternoon. As to the separate photo shoot that is in question in the lawsuit, during which a picture of a different Balenciaga bag on a desk containing various items, including a page from a court opinion, was taken, there certainly was no evil plan going on. As Balenciaga is aware, numerous boxes of documents simply were rented from a prop house, attorney Amelia K. writing for Brancov PLLC.